Welcome, my friends. This is module number 4 in our process of maintenance from zero to world class. And that is where we all want our company to be, right? In world class. So we are going to talk today about the importance of educating our operators. We want our operators to be able to contribute to the conservation, improvement, and reliability of their machines. When operators do that, we definitely have more opportunity to be more productive because the equipment remains in good shape, because the equipment runs good, it lasts more, and it produces higher quality of products. So there is many benefits for all of us if our operators are more knowledgeable about their equipment. And that is exactly when we bring our operators to autonomous maintenance. Remember that? Autonomous maintenance is the key. That way is how we can keep our equipment in optimal condition. Now, it is critical that everybody in the organization become aware of maintainability. Hey, how can we do that? Well, make sure that everybody understands that the better the condition of any piece of equipment, of any installation in our plant or offices, the benefit is for all of us if those pieces of equipment, if those installations work optimally. Now, how can we do that? Well, by maintaining them well. And maintaining well stuff is not easy. Sometimes it is difficult. There are some pieces of equipment and some installations that were not designed with maintenance in mind. So when we do maintenance or when we utilize equipment, let us keep thinking about maintainability, making sure that every day the operation of maintenance is easier, that it is easier for us to take care of our equipment. That is where we would like to go. We want to get to the point where everybody is making sure that the maintenance activity is easier, safer, and faster. Now, there is definitely the need for corrective maintenance. It will never disappear. Corrective maintenance is present all the time. When we are checking equipment, we discover something that must be corrected. That's going to be corrective maintenance. What is devastating for the company is when corrective maintenance is made by emergency, meaning that we have to repair something because it broke and the production was lost. We stopped the equipment, we stopped a good number of workstations, and we have big trouble. So we must put all our attention in the other aspects of maintenance. We're going to talk about preventive, about TPM, etc. It is important that we all pay attention to those because that way we will be able to bring our emergency corrective maintenance below 4%. And that is world class. That is world class maintenance. When we only have 4 or fewer percentage of issues with our equipment, that we don't have to stop machines. That's great. Okay. Now, preventive maintenance has the purpose of avoiding damage and breakdowns, and this is achieved through inspection of the expected performance, making sure that the equipment is ready to work as we want it to work, as we need it to work. So that is the key element in this process of preventive maintenance. Next comes autonomous maintenance. We have been mentioning autonomous maintenance because we all do autonomous maintenance in our equipment, in our automobile, in our homes. Autonomous maintenance is where we all are aware that that machine, that installation that we utilize needs to be preserved. So the purpose is of the autonomous maintenance task is to elevate the knowledge of our operators and to bring the organization to a higher maintenance awareness. Bring the organization, everybody in the organization, to understand how important it is to keep things working well. Okay? And this is achieved through a thorough training. Everybody must receive some training so that they become more knowledgeable and can cooperate in this. Then comes the predictive or proactive maintenance. This has been developed in the last couple of decades, and it has the purpose of utilizing the latest technologies to detect abnormal temperatures, lubricant contaminations, vibration, noises, etc. That use of technologies is very important, and our technicians need to learn more about it. In some cases, there are many companies that are outsourcing the use of this equipment. This task of the predictive maintenance is outsourced because there are companies specialized in this, and they have the latest technology, and not only that, but they are great operators. They can definitely make sure that the analysis that they are doing is being done correctly. TPM, Total Productive Maintenance, and TPR, Total Process Reliability, will be the subjects of our next module, and I encourage you to be prepared and come with us and enjoy those, because